Alright, it's a little bit dark. There we go. Put a little light on it. Oh, that looks cool. Terrible. Hey, I don't have any boogers. Terrible lighting. I'm up under the truck. On our way home last trip, we had an electrical situation. The RPMs were freaking out, and our oil pressure gauge was freaking out and stuff. And our fuel mileage meter wasn't registering. So I forgot about it with all the other crap that I've been doing this weekend until I was under here greasing my drive line. And if y'all don't grease your drive line when you get home, man, come on now. And when I got up here to the rear of the transmission at the yoke, greasing the U-joint, I saw the wiring harness for the transmission laying on the drive shaft. And I'm thinking that that may be where my electrical problem. I'll kind of try and show you what I'm talking about. Let me get this turned around. All right, that's the wiring harness. This truck's got an automatic transmission. I put this wiring harness in, so if you're having issues with your shifting and stuff like that, you may check your wiring harness. There may be some shorts and stuff like that. When we replaced this wiring harness, pretty much it's all color coded and stuff like that. I mean, it can really only go one way, but I don't think I made a video of that. But anyway, as you can see, right there and right there, I've already cut the sheathing back because I wasn't going to make a video, and then I thought, well, you know, maybe somebody else may be having a problem too and just hadn't found this problem. Wiring problems and shorts and electrical stuff are a pain in the butt, and it'll take you forever to find them. It's just a matter of being persistent. But you see right here, that one is through and that one is through. These other three wires are good. They're all okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut both of those wires. I'm going to cut them, and I'm going to splice them. And I'm going to put shrink tape around them. And then I've got some big shrink tape that I am going to put around them also. And then I'm going to wrap it back up and pull it back up here where I had zip tie around it, and apparently the zip tie has broken and come loose or whatnot. So if you're having electrical problems, if you have an automatic transmission or anything like that, you see this is supposed to have a zip tie holding it up, but as you can see, this is a terrible video and stuff, but I'm doing the best I can. As you can see, it would touch and rub anywhere on the drive line, and that's not good. So I'm gonna get this done up, and I'll show you what it looks like afterward. Alright folks, so you can see I got the shrink tape on. I spliced those two wires. I put shrink tape on it, and then I double wrapped it with electrical tape. And now I'm fixing to put some zip ties on all this and get it all pulled back up here out of the way. If you don't know what shrink tape is, you can buy a little package of it like this, and it's got all those different sizes in it. Y'all be cool, this is price, and I just thought I'd share this with y'all.